I prefer the mechanical assembly part because I can see the robot take shape step by step. So it's very interesting to work with a design team. You can see new parts we can add on the robot, so I can see new robots every day. When I received all the different parts of the robot, mechanical, electrical and electronic, I assembled the robot logically. First all the mechanical parts, then all sensors, drivers, then the wiring. I assembled the two sides of the robot. I insert the Effidence in the robot and I put the tray on, and after the four wheels, and it's okay. I have several tests to do. First I check if all the wheels turn in the same direction. I check also if all the security sensors work. Check as well if the robot reacts well to the control panel functions. So I have a specific procedure to do that. I install the main support on the Effidence. I run some tests. It's to ensure that all the peripherals are working and to be sure that the safety and the quality of the robot are maintained.
My job consists on assisting clients to define their needs and to provide the right solution to achieve your project.
I also work on CAD to develop the robots in collaboration with the different Effidence teams and those of the customer.
There's no problems, and see you soon.